You just love it when you totally forgot you backed to Kickstarter and then it just surprise finally come in. Hey, welcome back. This is Cetriya, Cetriya. Forgive my voice if it sounds a little raspy. I'm still coming over a cold type thing that's been going on throughout the entire nation and probably the world because I've been hearing reports everywhere. But anyways, today I was going to do a bit of unboxing, first impressions, not necessarily a review because I already love her art, from Cozy Days, the art of Iraville. And if you don't know who Iraville is, if you look real quick at the video, you'll see that I post a little link to her YouTube channel, and her stuff is just beautiful. It's definitely not a style that I typically work in, but I figure you guys might be interested. So I ordered this set. It was probably about, I want to say it was a $40 set or maybe a $30 set, $35, but she definitely went over funding, so she threw in a couple of goodies. I only did a quick opening of the box just to see what it is, but it has been sitting here for about 4 days. Me being sick and the fact that I wanted to share with you guys my first impressions, so I held off. Let's get right into it, shall we? Alrighty then. First off, the construction of this box is well done. I wish I would be capable of making a Kickstarter that's able to do so, but this is really well protected. Look at this, well protected stuff. And choosing the nice solid black embossing, I can kind of feel a little bit of a groove on the black embossing, and this warm craft paper type texture works well if you've ever seen her artwork, and if you have not, you're about to see it. So we're gonna go ahead and take that. Over the last few years, I've been getting these lovely boxes, and what I tend to do is I just cut them out and kind of post them online. So if you haven't noticed already, I do collect art books off and on, and I really wish more and more artists can do so or make it easier to find their art book. I'm still waiting on this one Korean artist who speaks English, who's had interviews in America. She still doesn't make an art book to sell. I'll figure it out. I will figure it out. But yeah, oh, okay, I see. Yes. So it seems like there's two pieces to this, which is really, really nice. So, okay, so it's $34.99. So I did pay about $35, $36 for this. So before we get into the main book, let's see what's in this little guy. Okay, seems like a little box of extra goodies right here. I do follow her on the Instagram, and to see how she does like her watercolor, color pencil techniques, and this guy is really nice how she turned it out. So it seems like these are stickers, which is pretty cool. Nice. I tend to use smaller stickers, but these are pretty big. I mean, look at this. I would say these are like 3 inches tall. So there's the stickers. Love the little blush cat thing, and I love her techniques. I probably will use some of her thoughts and techniques on how she create her work, but I mostly probably will use this for work. I don't see myself doing it that much. Let's see, Iraville DE, so I'm guessing that's German, Dutch, something like that. Let's see what else is in here. Let's see, you have a little mini book, it seems. Oh, so you get like yourself a little mini book of mini arts. Like, her watercolors are so well controlled and beautiful. I have to double check what is it that she uses. And then you can see that she's doing a lot of little miniature practices, and I'm thinking of doing that in the future too, just making like little vignettes or something. This is really lovely. I like how she used the negative space to go to make the road and going into the tree bark. Like, you can see this is someone who knows what they're doing. Like, this is really controlled watercolor. So 3D Total Publishing has been doing that for a lot of artists that I follow. I think they did Loish and they did a couple other people, so I probably will just follow like their website and see who else they're going to be posting up online that I want to get. I wish they'd get some Asian artists. And oh, I think this is like wrapping paper. Oh, that's lovely. Now I just got this probably about a week or two ago. So if that is when I'm getting these things, I think a couple people will probably wonder why they didn't get this before the holidays or whatnot. But for me, I would not have used this for any. I won't be using this for anybody's gift. I'll probably figure out how to maybe lacquer this or put some kind of plastic film coating and using it to cover my portable art board kind of thing, or a nice little miniature desk, or a laptop, a laptop desk or something like that. Like, I think this would be a lovely like covering, or even book covers. You could probably use this for like book cover, crafts, journal cover. I mean, it makes a perfect journal cover. So there you go, 2 journals right here. And this one's also very nice. Because these are all, it seems like winter and fall themes. I'm in Florida, so we don't get none of this. But I really wish we had like changing. This would make a lovely shirt. Like, if this was a pattern to put on a shirt, this would be just like a cute little blouse. And it could be both for men and women. I think this would be a lovely shirt. Oh well. Wish it was a fabric. Alright. So let's go ahead and put these extra goodies back in there. Probably I'll explore them some more and stuff like that. So I do have a thing for slip covers if it's, you know, sturdy enough, and this seems pretty sturdy. So quite even more little goodies. So it seems like we got cute little miniature prints on some nice high gloss cover stock, cute little miniature. As an artist, I appreciate that she is doing all her signature with the website, because oftentimes people will do these kind of like hauls, or they will post online what they got, and then people are like, well, where'd you get the art? Or at least me, I tend to stock a bunch of art or book haulers, and I'll be like, where'd you get this? Where's this? Cute little, it's really nice. Oh, there you go, see? Little promotional bookmark. So as an artist, I'm definitely learning a lot of her like marketing techniques, so I really appreciate that. Look at that. So it's a girl, obviously. My bad. Sometimes I don't really pay attention. I don't pay attention physically what the artist is or looks like behind the scenes. I get my impression based on their artwork, which makes it hard for me to relate sometimes to when people keep on asking, or they mention like, oh, you need to be transparent and stuff online, and I'm just like, unless this person is like evil or mass murderer or some kind of abusive partner, I don't really care if they're male or female, or they came from the same town I'm from, or if they're black, white, Asian, or whatever. I'm just, do I like your art? Do I like your art? You know, so because you don't choose whether you're male, female, or, you know, black, white, or whatever. But the art is your choice. You're choosing to make this kind of art. This is pretty. I like that. Pretty pattern. 3D Total is, of course, a high-quality printer. I think they're really smart in, like, going after, that sounds really wrong. Going with people who have an audience but may not have the necessary connections to get something of a project this big to work. Because me, I just print my art in my book, but to get things with proper layout and stuff like that, and printing enough hardback and all that stuff, you know, and the marketing and stuff like that. Oh, so right here you got this slip cover, which is very Japanese. Well, not Japanese, it's old style for hardbook slip cover. I love the orange choice, keeping it to the warm scheme. And there you go, Iraville Slaterman von Langwood. So that sounds Germany. Yep, Munich, Germany. Watercolors, beautiful things. And the book is called Cozy Days, and it's perfect. I mean, it's just beautiful. I do know that theme books, like books with some kind of theme, do much better than just like a hodgepodge of stuff. So very beautiful. Love stuff. So oh, there's a huge like interview section. I didn't know that. I think that's really appreciated because you get to understand more behind the artwork and stuff. So really pretty. And of course, it comes with the captions of what each things were when it was made, what material was used, watercolor, ink, color pencils, and stuff like that. And then the idea, she comes up like, let's make a watercolor of like pickled foods and stuff. So get up with a lot of that. So I think this is like a full-on about her. This printer is really expensive, but beautiful workspace. And again, she has a YouTube channel, so if you're interested in stuff like that, by all means. So I think this is also probably be a good little book for people who are very new to this stuff, very inspirational because it's talking about full on where she's coming from and the materials that she used and stuff like that. Wish I could have all those brushes. Look at this. These are beautiful photography. Her Instagram is gorgeous. It's aspirations. Aspirations, people. This is what I aspire to do. This is really cute. These would make lovely stickers. I might make cute little stickers like that. This would be cute. And like I said, if you've been following my channel and you see my artwork, it's nothing like this, but it's always good to get inspiration from art styles that may not be your thing, you know, like it's not typical. Representing, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, it may not be something that is typical to your style, but you still want to, because you still learn from it. Like, I don't have that kind of control with my artwork, or her use of negative space is beautiful. Her way of silhouetting or vignetting, or whatever, that word, of her work is beautiful. So I'm going to just do a quick little flip through. Like I said, it was a Kickstarter, but since it's done through 3D Total, you probably can get, you could probably get a copy of this book still. You just might not get it in that Kickstarter discount. Let's see. So she has a full-on tutorial, it seems. Really beautiful. And she does have that beautiful, like, clean edge. Oh, so gorgeous. I'm going to definitely dive deep into this book. And again, I'm going to mention it again. She has a YouTube. She has an Instagram. She does post little speed paints on Instagram. Oh, this is so cute. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Beautiful landscape. Her ink work. Like, this is what I look for in artists and art channels. Like, you know, they've really gone towards a level that I aspire to. So it seems like making your own watercolors. This is interesting. I think this will definitely help in the future as more and more, although there's a bit of a combat with a lot of coming back with a lot of art material companies and stuff. But just in case, if digital really becomes such a big thing that a lot of these companies are incapable of producing stuff at a quantity that is, you know, makes sense for them monetarily, this might be really helpful. So, or if you want to make something custom, you know, this is beautiful. Like, this is just stuff you just don't consider. Like, this is really nice, which explains why the colors are so gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, I probably am gonna do that. That'll be so bougie of me. Just like, I make my own watercolors, but it's so cute. Like, look at this. Look at this. It's so cute. Like, I would love just to make a whole pattern and then just put it on a shirt. I have a thing for, like, long, what they call them, boyfriend shirts, like shirts that reach to your knees, and then you put on a comfy leggings. That's my thing. I'll probably start making my own clothes anyways. This is just precious. Look at this. And the attitudes. So many of her characters have so much, like, attitude, which makes me want to, I'll probably have to look up her interview, because I don't know if she does, like, animations or stuff like that. But there's something about a lot of the people who go into animations have such a lot of, like, movement and characters and expressions on things that normally, I want to say, like, the just comics or just anime art community don't do as much. And that's why, again, I push for you guys to, like, go back or go beyond maybe your own specific style and community and try to learn more from there. So this is beautiful. Making your own watercolor sketchbook, which makes sense because those things are pricey. Like, you can see she's, like, going back to, like, old artisan roots. I mean, making your own watercolor and stuff. Bookbinding, hardcover. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'm so glad I found this thing, because sometimes artists are really not that great at promoting their stuff, even though their stuff is lovely. Because for me, I have no qualms constantly researching for things. Like I said, I do things as crazy as stalking people that is in the same country of another artist and be like, hey, can you, like, buy this from such and such website and then reroute it to me? I will do that, but most people won't do that. So this is beautiful. Yeah. I wish my cat was that precious. Mines have too much attitude. Beautiful. so cute. So gorgeous. Alright. Paper stretching. Yeah. So all in all, just by the glance, and like I said, this is my first time glancing through her stuff. Oh, this is cute too. Glancing through her stuff, I definitely recommend you guys follow her YouTube channel, her Instagram channel. For those who are new to watercolor, I can already tell this is perfect for you guys who are new or intermediate in it. There's so much control. She's going very much detailed towards the basic. And for the set, again, I don't know if the whole set is available, but you got so many stuff. You know, you get the book, beautiful slipcover, and then you get all of these little cute little goodies and stuff like that. So I truly am happy I was able to find this stuff. So if I find it, then I'll make sure to leave a link below where you can purchase this book, and again to her YouTube and her Instagram. But I hope you guys found this really interesting. Let me know in the comments below if ever I come up to more art stuff or art books and reviews, you want me to do more of those things. Please leave your maybe your treasure finds that you found, maybe some cool artists or art books or zines that you found and you want to share it, because like I said, I'm always on a hunt on finding some really interesting cool art people. And of course, I am not just for English speakers. You can, by all means, leave me links to artists from other countries, because as far as I'm concerned, illustration is international. It is not, you know, by language, and stuff like that. So let me know if you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts. Please leave a comment. Please, you know, hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, by all means, subscribe. I am an art channel. I make art myself, but from time to time, whenever I find something cool, I share it with you guys. I might even share some tips and tricks. So hope you enjoy it, and I see you guys in the next video.